Semput Menteri Rangba ke Jelau ba Prostun Tynsong ni kesengi habakaran bekinong tok kubor ulakarpat ikinong syong di madan beni trailang bat banwan ra ye kejingya ki baki yakandu ha ke komiti ha ke ba ke komiti kan sale ya ke kamram ba Prostun ula ongru ba sorkar kampret yaki namar kesngautu ya ke kamai kaji jongki pajba ke jela hanrai katkum ka an ke sorkar kabut renti ya ka ba Prostun la berap susu da ka baong ba ke baki le ke dei na ke benta ke jingbha ke jongki but Phin amlap bak sorkar ka shim khia na ka benta ki nongsong di madan ha ka bak sorkar kala rai ru banai 10,000 shaki barru 8,000 shibnai na ka benta san banai.
Situation in the city.
Well, I think even today the drive is on, and see, let me just tell you one thing. I don't know why people create this kind of problem. Meeting was held. That vending committee has already had a detail of meeting, a series of meeting, and a detail also was worked out, and blueprint was also there. Of course, maybe initially those names which was not considered due to the paperwork where they don't have, ultimately they were not considered to be entitled to that COV, the certificate of vendors. So, but as I said to you, this committee keeps sitting every now and then. So therefore, the decision taken by this committee last time, it is only to implement the decision taken by them, which I personally feel, even from government side, we feel that it is high time that we have a dedicated place for the vendors throughout Shillong.
But
Entire thing, what entire thing? You tell me.
they are
They are not
demanding.
happy what?
They are
Having a provisional committee meeting when it comes to
Whether provisional or permanent is it's all the same. It is functional. So, and then they are also part of the committee. It's not that only government officials were there. Even from their side, they were there. They discussed about all the interests of the hawkers. So therefore, I would only request the vendors cooperate. Bring all your issues in this committee. Committee will take care of all the issues. And from the government side also, we don't want to just throw them out. We understand the livelihood of our people. But we, as per the Act, since the Act is in place, we have to also follow strictly the Act and the rules of that Act, which is being implemented by the state government.
the court is hearing the matter by the generalcy following this complex issue.
Uh-huh.
Are you aware about it or are you providing any?
No, threat for what?
We passed some comments, so they're saying to get out of that.
See, I'm telling you, it is not that we wanted to victimize the hawkers. In fact, this is done for their own goods. And can you imagine? I think our spokesperson, Mr. Polangdo, yesterday he must have already explained to all of you. You will not find the government who really thinking seriously about the interests of the hawkers. See, like shifting allowance, we decided to give them 10,000 rupees. And plus, once they shifted to that designated place, again, initially for 5 months, 2,000 per month will be paid to the concerned registered COVs.
No, HNLC, I'm saying about HNLC.
Huh?
HNLC